Good morning, students. Today's topic is electrochemical cell. What is an electrochemical cell? An electrochemical cell is a cell which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Chemical energy into electrical energy. Here, redox reaction is responsible for this production of electricity. Okay, so electricity is produced due to redox reaction. That is, both oxidation and reduction are taking place in two separate half cells. Okay, and reduction in two separate half cells. Example, Daniel cell. So, a Daniel cell consists of two beakers containing zinc sulfate solution and copper sulfate solution. In zinc sulfate solution, zinc electrode is dipped, and in copper sulfate solution, copper electrode is placed. Okay, these two electrodes are connected through an external circuit. So, what happens here in this beaker, here in the zinc electrode, this is a negative electrode which is the anode, and this is the copper electrode is positive electrode which is the cathode. So here the oxidation is taking place and here reduction is taking place. Okay, because zinc is having more tendency for oxidation. So oxidation is taking place here. So what happens? Here zinc ionizes and forms Zn2 plus and 2 electrons are produced. Okay, so these electrons are moved through the circuit and reaches to the copper electron. So there the reduction is taking place. So copper ion accepts those electrons and copper gets deposited on the copper electrode. Okay, so these are the reactions taking place, oxidation and reduction taking place in the Daniel cell. And these two cells are connected through a salt bridge. This salt bridge is having some important functions, and salt bridge contains concentrated solution of inert electrolyte like potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, then ammonium nitrate, etc. are used as inert electrolyte. Okay. Also actually the agar or gelatin is dissolved in this hot concentrated solution of inert electrolyte. This is used as the salt bridge. Okay, so there are some important functions for salt bridge. It helps to complete the circuit. Now let us discuss what are the important functions. Now functions of salt bridge. First point, to connect the solutions of two, this helps to connect the two solutions of two half cells and it complete the cell circuit. Helps to complete the cell circuit. Okay. Now, to keep the solution in two half cells, electrically neutral salt bridge is used. Okay, two solutions electrically neutral is due to this salt bridge. Okay. Now, third point, it also prevents the mechanical mixing of these two solutions. Mechanical mixing of two solutions. These are the important functions of salt bridge. Now, how can we represent the cell? So we know here what happens here, oxidation is taking place and here reduction is taking place. So representation of cell will be zinc Zn2 plus, oxidation is taking place. This is cell 1. Okay, this is anode, and these are connected by a salt bridge. This represents salt bridge. Now, in the other side, copper Cu2 plus gets converted into copper and it gets deposited. This is cathode. Okay, this is second half cell. So like this, we can represent the cells. Okay, now this is oxidation. In the first half, oxidation is taking place, and in the second half, reduction is taking place. So overall, we can write. How can we write? The redox reaction will be Zn2 plus Zn, zinc, LHS, zinc plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. Okay, this is the redox reaction taking place in a Daniell cell. Okay, so once more let us explain the electrochemical cell. Okay, first this is the zinc electrode and this is the copper electrode, and here oxidation is taking place and electrons are produced, and the electron flow from anode towards the cathode. Okay, so reduction takes place and copper gets deposited at the cathode. So electrons are flow through this external circuit. Okay, a salt bridge is present which helps to complete the cell circuit and also make the two solutions electrically neutral. Okay, it also prevents the mixing of these two solutions. Now, the solution of the compartments, the two compartments are neutral, and the current, how the current flows. As the electrons flow from this direction to this direction, current will flow in the opposite direction. Okay, so due to this chemical reaction, current, electricity is produced. Okay, this much about electrochemical cell.